welcome to the channel. This is Chelsea and it is Christmas. It's Christmas and we are celebrating. We are festive. I'm sparkly. Pulled out my sparkly sweater just for you guys. Okay. Today we'll be unwrapping my Secret Santa gift. We're gonna find out who sent it, and you know, if you're curious to find out who I sent my gift to, I would encourage you to start searching. The videos are starting to pop up and it's gonna be interesting. All right, so everybody stay tuned and no. I give this here. Okay, so I have no idea who this is from, but I'm super excited. Okay. I have my X-Acto knife. I'm gonna rip this open. See what's going on. Okay. Let's not cut my fingers off. Okay. Right. Okay, read me. Okay. Oh, cute. Okay. Let's see. Chelsea, happy holidays. I hope you're having a great holiday season and reading lots of manga. I am trying. I really am. I had a lot of fun shopping for your Secret Santa gifts and I hope you enjoy them. I tried to pick out things you would like using info from your characters, colors, and do need feels. I apologize if this package reaches you a bit late. One of the gifts took longer than expected to get to me in the mail, which is fine. I understand that the holidays. I can only hope that at the very least you receive this by Christmas Day. Yes, I have. Okay. I also hope you're enjoying MangaTuber. Making manga videos and joining this community has been one of the best and most rewarding things I've done in my life. Aww. I hope that we can keep creating content and we're proud of and continue to grow this awesome corner of YouTube. Best of luck with the channel and the manga collecting journey. Hope you have a great holiday season and enjoy the time spent with family and friends. Also read Gans. It will change your life and put every other manga you've ever read to shame. Shame is in all caps. So okay, happy holidays. The prom sheet. Okay. Alright, let's get in here. Let's see what's going on. Okay. Wrapping. I don't even, okay, okay. Oh my gosh. I have no idea what this is, but I'm gonna find out. But it has something to do with the 20th Naruto anniversary. Should I open it? I feel like it's not supposed to like come out of the package, but should I? Nippon Ginko? It's money with Sasuke. Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm gonna find out what this is. I wonder, I don't know, should I open it? I feel like if it comes out, all right, hold on. Oh, this is cool. Oh. All right, I'll put it back. And I'm gonna figure out what it is. I'm pretty sure it's something cool. Okay. I think I'm gonna like display this or something. We'll figure out what it is. We will. All right. Okay. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Hold the phone. Oh. Okay. So I said that one of my favorite characters is Vegeta because, of course, like who doesn't love the guy? He's one of the, best things about that whole world. Anyway, this is what I got. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. I don't have any figures, but I am glad that Vegeta is gonna be the first one. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I'm afraid to open this. Should I open this? Do people like normally open? Okay. I'm just gonna peek inside, okay? Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'll definitely have to show you guys this whole thing after it's been put together. And I'm super excited. I really am. Wow. Thank you so much. Really. This is amazing. I finally have my first figure. Also, if my shelves now become filled with these things, just know it's your fault and I will be blaming you. I will be blaming you, okay? But seriously, oh my gosh, thank you so much. I will try to put like an assembled thing of this, maybe a clip of it at the end. I'm super excited. So thank you to the Prom G for sending this over. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. Also, if you want to figure out who got him and what he got for his Secret Santa, definitely jump over to his channel and check that out, and keep searching around. It's like, and see what gifts are flying around this corner of YouTube. Happy holidays, everybody. I'm pretty sure I'll be posting this either on Christmas Eve or the day of. So Merry Christmas, and thank you so much for coming to the channel. Definitely check out all the channels of all the MangaTubers that are participating. They'll be down in the description. And once more, thanks again to the MangaTubers who organized this, your ProfOtaku Senpai, Gemini Manga, and Book Vibes. And yeah, I think that's it. Bye. Okay, just try to put this together. No instructions. I mean, it shouldn't be that hard, but I have no idea what this is. Does this go here? What is this? Is it for the foot? Oh, no, this doesn't make any sense. Oh, I figured it out. Okay, so which foot? I'm gonna guess it's for the right foot. No, left foot. Put your left foot in, put your left foot out. Put your left, okay, hold on. And you shake it all about. Okay. It's like Legos. Oh, it's not, it's nothing like Legos. Don't listen to me. Ugh, I hope you're enjoying this. My struggle. Okay, I don't wanna ruin this, but this is super cool. I have actually been like thinking about like actually sculpting some characters and stuff with clay. And whoo, yeah baby. All right, man. Look at your teeth. Loving the hair. I'm loving this blue hair, I really do. I think that's one of the things about Super that, I'm a sucker for anything that's blue. And I just really enjoy. Okay, so I know this is to help them stand, right? I know this is to help my guy stand up. I just can't quite get his foot in there. Oh, figured it out. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on here. And dun 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 dun. I'm sorry. Don't fall now, baby. Don't trip. Okay. There we go. Oh, ah! Oh, this is super cool. I really now have to figure out where I'm gonna put this guy. No! Sorry. I now gotta figure out where I'm gonna put this guy. I don't know. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the shelf. You know, I don't own any Dragon Ball anything. Now I'm starting to rethink that. Let's see. Okay, for now, we're gonna put Vegeta. Ah, come on, man! Don't be putting my hair like that. Stop that. I'm sorry. This because this one is pretty stable, and you don't want to knock him over. So for now, he's on the shelf. For now, oh, come on, your legs. No running.